how to change the rotation points in Photoshop. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and write down below in the comments any suggestion or question that you have before starting, and let's get started. So for those who don't know what's a rotation point in Photoshop, let's say for example we have an object and we want to rotate it. Here the point of rotation is the point which is at default at the center of this object. What if we want to change this? What if we want this object to rotate around another object, not the center of this object? In this case, we have to change the position of this rotation point. So let's explain this by an example. Let's create a new shape. Let's create an ellipse and let's create an rectangle. So if you want to rotate this rectangle, we're gonna click on Ctrl T or Command T and click here. This is the rotation point. So if we rotate this, as you can see, it's rotating around its center. But if we want it to be rotating around this circle, we're gonna move this center point or rotation point to here and then again rotate it. As you can see, it's now rotating around the circle, as you can see. And that's it. That's how to change the rotation point. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and don't forget also to write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.